In today's video, I'm going to teach you step-by-step guide. Remove the Shopify password page. If you're ready to open your doors to the world and start taking real orders, this walkthrough will help you remove that password wall and make your store publicly accessible in just a few clicks. First, sign into your Shopify admin and head to Online Store. From there, select Preferences. This is where Shopify keeps a lot of important visibility and storefront settings. Once you're on the Preferences page, scroll all the way down to the bottom until you see the section labeled Password Protection. That section controls whether your storefront is locked behind a password or visible to everyone. Inside that section, look for the option that restricts access to your online store. You'll see a checkbox that, when enabled, keeps your store in a password-protected preview mode. To go live, simply uncheck that box. If the checkbox is grayed out and you can't change it, don't worry. That typically means you haven't selected a subscription plan yet. Shopify requires a plan on file before your store can go public, even when you're in a free trial. Once you've chosen a plan, you'll be able to return here and uncheck that box. After you've unchecked it, make sure to save your changes. Click Save in the top or bottom corner of the page. Shopify usually gives you a confirmation that your settings were updated. The moment that save goes through, your store is live. Anyone with your web address can now browse your products and complete checkout without seeing a login screen. To quickly confirm everything is working, click the eye icon near your online store in the admin. This opens a preview of your storefront exactly as a customer would see it. If you don't see the password prompt anymore, you're officially open for business. If you still encounter the prompt, double-check that the box remains unchecked and that your changes were saved. Occasionally, it can take a brief moment for the update to reflect, so give it a second and refresh the page. That's it. Password removed, business launched. Before you announce your grand opening, it's a good idea to skim through your storefront like a customer would. Add a product to the cart, go to checkout, and make sure everything looks and feels right. With your password page out of the way, you're ready to share your URL, welcome visitors, and start converting traffic into sales. Your Shopify journey starts now.